Hello everyone, today we will give you how to make GIF with UniConverter 13. Go to the GIF Maker, launch Wondershare UniConverter. If you don't have UniConverter, you can click the link below to download. Go to Toolbox and click the GIF Maker. Part 1. Convert photos to GIF. Add photos to the UniConverter. Set GIF preference. You can set the output size, frame rate, and change the order of photos. Finally, click Create GIF button to convert photos to GIF. Part 2. Convert video to GIF. Add video to the UniConverter. Select the video clip. You can enter start-end time to trim the video. Or just move the video on the timeline and you can set the output size, frame rate. Finally, click Create GIF button to convert video to GIF. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video.